To start your spiral snail masterpiece for art to remember, write your name on a white square of paper, decorate, and make it disappear. Then draw a circle on the paper. Do a couple of practice circles in the air above your paper before you put the tip of the pencil down and actually draw. It's okay if your circle's not perfect or you have to draw a lot of circles to get it right. This circle is going to become the snail's shell, and all snails are different and unique. The next step is to paint the circle. You can use more than one color, but try to only mix the warm colors, red, orange, yellow, and pink, or the cool colors, blue, purple, and green. If you mix together all of the colors, you will end up with a muddy color that is not bright. Also, always remember to clean your paintbrush every time you dip it into a new color with water and SpongeBob. Try to be quick when you paint the circle. Don't let that paint dry. You can paint in your snail shell any way you want to. I just so happen to have chosen circles that kind of make it look like a target. While the paint is still wet, take a Q-tip and draw a spiral starting in the middle of the snail shell. A spiral is a line that wraps around itself in a circle that gets bigger and bigger. Check out this real snail shell spiral. Adorable! If you didn't work fast enough and your paint already dried before you drew the spiral and it's not showing up, that's what I did, simply paint over that area again to make more wet paint and then draw the spiral again so that you can see it. Once your spiral snail shell is dry, cut it out. Your thumb goes through the little hole of the scissors and the other fingers go through the bigger hole. You might have to stick your pinky out if your fingers don't all fit. Drive your motorcycle scissors all the way around the snail shell while you steer the motorcycle with your other hand. Once the snail shell is cut out, you're going to glue it to a new, larger paper. First, write your name on the paper, decorate real quick, and then make it disappear. Then, put the glue on the back of the snail shell, all around the edge of the circle, and then an X in the middle. Place the snail shell in the middle of the paper. Flip it over and give it a nice back massage. This makes the shell stick smoothly on the paper. Flip it back over, and now it's time to start drawing. Our snail needs a ground to stand on, so with your pencil, draw a horizontal side-to-side line for the ground that goes all the way across your paper. Next, we're drawing the head, and you can draw the head on either side of the snail shell. A snail's head is almost like a banana or a hot dog shape. It sticks out from the bottom of the shell. Draw a banana or hot dog shape on the side that you choose with a looped line. Then draw the snail's interesting tall eyes with two little rectangles and two circles on the very top. Remember to add the inside of the eyes, the iris and pupil, with a polka dot and a circle. You can add eyelashes if you want. You can add sunglasses if you want. And you get to choose what type of mouth your snail will have. Smiling, frowning, a straight line. You can even add teeth, even though snails don't really have teeth. After you're done with the mouth, it is time to draw the tail with another curved line at the back. The tail is a whole lot shorter than the head. Once you're done with the whole snail's body, it's time to add details and decorations to the sky. You can add airplanes, UFOs, stars, clouds, the sun, the moon, birds, whatever you want to show in your sky, go for it. When your whole drawing is just how you want it, it is time to take a black marker and trace or outline the entire drawing. Don't miss any of the details. Don't miss the ground. Don't miss the tail. Trace or outline the whole picture. Now your picture is like a big coloring page for you to fill in. Use colorful markers to color in the snail, the ground, the sky, and anything in the sky. When you are coloring in big shapes, like my snail's head here, use the side of your marker, kind of like the marker's taking a little nap on the job. It helps color the area faster. For smaller areas and shapes, like the snail's eyes, use the tiptoe of your marker. Please remember, every time you change colors, you need to snap and cap every marker. I want to hear the snap, people. Remember to color in your entire sky. The sky actually goes all the way from up at the top of the paper down to the ground. Once your whole entire paper is colored in with no peekaboo spots, your snail is ready to be sent to Art to Remember to be printed on t-shirts, mugs, magnets, keychains, necklaces, whatever you want. I'm so excited.